Okay, guys. You guys know admin games like this, people will just mess up people up and how trash at obbies I am. Yeah, yeah. Um, yeah. People will try to abuse them, and that's what I'm doing in this video. But anyways, I'm gonna try to abuse them. So if I could just get past it. Oh my God, you guys see how trash I am. Oh yeah. By the way, I got a buff body now. People's in shock of me. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna need to try to be. Okay, so yeah, let me just try to get through this obby. Oh, why am I so trash at obbies like this? Just come on, just tell me. Why am I just so trash at this? I'm better at this. It's just cause that guy is so cool. Oh, he died at the last minute. Okay, guys, I had to switch servers because the thing wasn't working. Y'all know that black thing on top of your screen? Yeah, that was not. Oh my god, bro. Why they just. These people stupid. Come on, man. These people are so stupid. Oh my god. Lady da going to another server. Oh my god. That man is so buff. That man is so buff, bro. That man is super duper buff, man. What do you do? What? Where's the admin? Wait, would you like a sec for free? Come on, man. Just think about it. Do you really want it? My answer is yes. Yes. Yep, the answer is yes. For free. Whoa, bro. Whoa, bro. What does this even do? Oh my gosh. No, guys, I got a better idea. Since I can anybody, uh, you so since oh, I'm a moderator, right? Hey y'all hear me clicking the button? Huh? Okay. Well, we know that did not work. Uh, I know no thing others will work. Okay, nope, that didn't do a thing, bro. That did not do a fucking thing. Oh my god! Hey guys, I'm gonna get on my alt account for a minute. Yeah. Um, cause I got a whole bunch of alts account. But an audio recovery file was detected. Uh. Okay. So I'm about to make a game on my. Oh, that's not even my account. That's it. I'm about to slam my desk. Okay, anyways, let's get out of this man's account and get on. Hmm. Hmm. What? Oh, okay. Hey, y'all, let me think this for a minute, eh? Oh, I got an account. What it's called? Why my thing keep on blinking? Okay, what is it called? My, no. Sir, my name is Jeff. Oh no. Okay, I thought you guys would see my password. If you guys, I'm not going to even show you my password. Come on, just waiting for the loading spree. What do Roblox Studio want from me? Work, working in progress. Please solve changes. Alright, hold up. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm stupid. You're supposed to do this. You're supposed to do this, not this. Yeah, I'm sorry. I did not know I was supposed to do it. I did not know. Sorry. Okay, I'm on the last one, and oh, it's this one. Okay, yeah, up 6. Pick up the pair, facing up. Hooray! I win! I win! Let me on my. What the heck? Oh my god, bro. You told me I had did all of this for nothing. Nothing. Oh my god. Guys, while I'm at it, I'm just gonna talk about, and at the same time, me doing the hobby. Okay, yeah. So, as you know, at the last clip, I had took a break because I think I had a mental breakdown, and that's not good, and nothing's not loaded in. I'm gray. Yeah. How to do this thing? Wait. Okay. So yeah, I had him. I died. Oh, this is depressing. Did they all got the same animation? Oh no. I thought I had the robot animation. Oh. Oh. My friend Gwenie. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Okay, as I was saying, I had a mental. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? I'm about to break my hand, and my table is freaking glass. So if I cut my hands, I'm I'm gonna have to go to the hospital. Okay, you get that stupid game. To be honest, right now, I don't know what happened to my buff body. If y'all guys saw in the last clips. Hey, GUI game you made. Hey, Gwenie. Hey, Gwenie. Oh. Hey. So, how about, how about, how about, he's probably thinking, he like, you said you made a trilogy UI game. Is it just me or did I just hit my head in itself with a rock? Okay. Wait, what? Wait, what? I never made no trilogy UI game ever in my life. Well, I did, but it did not work. It didn't send into the mail. Sorry, Granny. Sorry, gotta be this way. I know you like trilogy UI. You said you would make trilogy UI. Yeah. Yeah. About that. Yeah, about that. Yeah, about that. Sorry, Gwenie. not work. It did not work, Courtney. Sorry, man. It didn't work. It kept on showing basically. It kept. I'm stupid. Okay, I told him it kept showing base plate, and he like, oh, you have Trilogy UI game. Ooh, you're about to make me mad. No other last. Oh, sorry, my mic was up to my nose. Yeah, but still, like another. Wait, wait, yes. Wait, I do. It's on my alt. It's on my alt. I'll join you. Wow. And put your name in it. And put your name in it, loser. Dang. God, bro. So yeah, y'all remember oh whoops. Oh wait, yeah. Wait, what? Hold up. Wait, was he talking about this UTG? He was talking about this UTG? What? What? Okay. Wait. Like. Mhm. That one. Mhm. Wait. So this guy was talking about this UTG, and like when I mean UTG, was he talking about this Puppet Master? Oh, no. How does this work? Oh. Oh no. Oh, this is disturbing. Oh wait, I forgot my Roblox volume is down. You guys can't hear it, but ow. Oh my god, I hear voices. Okay, I think, clicking all the buttons. I'm clicking all, oh, I'm clicking all the buttons. Yeah, I'm clicking all the buttons. Nothing. It does not do nothing. This UTG command sucks. Yep, I respond. This UTG command sucks. Like, do something like Bunzi Bazooki. Oh, ow, my ears. Like Bunzi Bazooki. He's on the run, but he'll never give you some fun. My name is Benzi Bazooki. I'm number 1. Oh. Let me just fill my... I'm Benzi Bazooki. I'm number 1. Maybe you can just be the gun. The gun. Now I'll shoot missiles at you if I can. That song was so stupid. Yeah, let me guys sing you Benzi Bazooki. Benzi Bazooka. He's number 1. Benzi Bazooki, he's number 1. I'll give you one of my guns, but if you act up, I'll give you some. It goes like, boop. No, Benzi Bazooki. Benzi Bazookas, he's number 1. Maybe he could give you some fun. If he could just shoot the bazooka at you, you'll be exploded. You'll go to another country. That'll be explosive. If you don't like the video, Benzi Bazooki will come to your house and start blowing up your house. Like it, okay? Oh gosh. Oh.